What time does class start?
At 8 a.m.
Do we have homework due today?
Yes. Math homework.
When is the history test?
Next Friday.
Can I borrow a pencil?
Sure. Here you go.
Did you understand the lesson?
Not really. It was confusing.
Are we having gym class today?
No. It's cancelled.
Where's the cafeteria located?
Down the hall, to the left.
Did you finish your science project?
Almost done. Just need to add some details.
What's the answer to question number 3?
It's 27.
Can I use the restroom?
Yes. But be quick.
What's for lunch today?
Pizza. And salad.
When is the school dance?
Next Friday evening.
Is the library open after school?
Yes. Until 4:30 p.m.
Do we have any field trips coming up?
Yes. Next month to the museum.
Can I borrow your notes from yesterday's class?
Sure. Here you go.
What page are we on in the textbook?
Page 72.
Is the teacher absent today?
Yes. We have a substitute.
When is the school assembly?
This afternoon at 2 p.m.
Are there any extracurricular activities after school?
Yes. Drama club and chess club meet today.
What's the homework for English class?
Reading pages 20 to 30, and writing a summary.
Are there any tests this week?
Yes. On Wednesday for history.
What's today's date?
It's the 17th of February.
Can I borrow a calculator for math class?
Sorry. I don't have one.
Do we have any assignments due tomorrow?
Yes. For science class.
Is the bus running late today?
No. It's on time.
What's the schedule for after-school clubs?
Art club is on Monday, and debate club is on Wednesday.
Can I have an extra sheet of paper?
Sure. Here you go.
Are there any sports practices today?
Yes. Soccer practice is after school.
Is the teacher accepting late assignments?
No. They're due today.
Do we have any guest speakers coming this week?
Yes. On Friday for Career Day.
Be sure to subscribe for more videos.